Hello all. Today we'll discuss 6 most expensive celebrities' houses.
Here are a few of the most expensive houses owned by celebrities in the United States. Number 1 on the list is Jeff Bezos' Beverly Hills mansion. While not strictly a celebrity, Amazon founder Jeff Bezos owns one of the most expensive properties in the U.S. He purchased a lavish mansion in Beverly Hills, California, known as the Warner Estate, for a reported $165 million in February 2020. Number 2, Ellen DeGeneres' Montecito Estate. Talk show host Ellen DeGeneres and her wife Portia de Rossi own a sprawling estate in Montecito, California. The property, known as the Villa, was purchased for around $27 million. Number 3 on the list is Oprah Winfrey's Promised Land. Oprah Winfrey's Montecito, California estate is named the Promised Land. This property spans over 70 acres and is estimated to be worth over $90 million. Number 4 belonged to Beyoncé and Jay-Z's Bel-Air mansion in 2017. Power couple Beyoncé and Jay-Z purchased a $88 million mansion in the upscale neighborhood of Bel-Air, Los Angeles. Number 5, George Lucas's Skywalker Ranch. While not a traditional mansion, filmmaker George Lucas owns Skywalker Ranch in Marin County, California. This expansive property serves as the headquarters for Lucasfilm and is estimated to be worth several $100 million. Number 6, Kim Kardashian and Kanye West's Hidden Hills mansion. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West owned a massive mansion in Hidden Hills, California, which they purchased for around $20 million. Since my last update, they have divorced, and the status of the property may have changed. Please note that real estate prices can fluctuate, and new purchases or sales may have occurred since my last update in September 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share.